Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. BeautyBigBang are having a Halloween discount sale and they very kindly sent me 5 Halloween stamping plates to swatch and review. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing BeautyBigBang XL-020, XL-027 and XL-029. All the information about the sale and links can be found in the description box below, along with my discount code for you to use as well. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and please make sure you have the bell notification on, and please also like this video. These things really do help out my channel. Thank you. So I have my usual stamper and scraper along with 6 coloured nail tips. I'll be taking 2 swatches from each plate, starting with plate XL020. For the first swatch I'll be using a white coloured nail tip along with an orange stamping polish. As I've said in previous BeautyBigBang reviews, I do like to add my 2 lines of polish just so that I can cover the whole image without using excess polish. This is a colour design for Halloween Manny. For the next swatch I'll be using a light coloured green nail tip along with a midnight sparkly green stamping polish. I decided to show this image as the photo swatch image I did really didn't show it up as well as I'd hoped, but this is a brilliant Halloween image for a dragon's eye Manny. You could really add so much more to this image to really make it stand out. Moving on to plate XL027, and for the first swatch I'm using a nude brown coloured nail tip along with a dark brown stamping polish. When I first saw this image I thought he was very cool looking. Not sure how I would use him in a Manny, maybe a creepy woodland scene. When working with browns I do work much quicker because they dry much faster. For the next swatch I'll be using a pale yellow coloured nail tip along with a copper brown stamping polish. This is a fantastic scene. With this image again it would be great for a creepy woodland scene. I love using images like this for Halloween Mannies. You could even team it with another spider image or pumpkin images. Really nice. Moving on to plate XL029, and for the first swatch I'm going to be using a grey coloured nail tip along with a red stamping polish. Now this is a colour combo I've never used before, but for a Halloween Manny I think it works brilliantly. You could even use a burgundy as well, but another great image. For the next swatch I'll be using a yellow and orange pigment coloured nail tip along with a black stamping polish. This has to be my favourite swatch from all of them that I've created from these stamping plates. I absolutely love it. I would love to create a whole Manny just like this. It's something different but it stands out really well. Love it. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and Mannies that I've created from these Halloween BeautyBigBang stamping plates. BeautyBigBang XL020 has 10 large style images along with 7 smaller images. The house and tree image from the smaller ones, I've taken 2 swatches as it wouldn't fit all on one pop stick. A couple of the images were not so good with my colour choices, like the dragon's eye and the dark blue and silver tree ghost image, but all of the other images turned out really well. I personally love BeautyBigBang stamping plates. Halloween is my most favourite time of the year. It's where you can go absolutely crazy with what you design and it doesn't look out of place. I love creating Halloween Mannies. I think last year I made almost 40 of them in total, which is an insane amount to create. And what I love about XL020 is there is designs that I've not seen before, like the skulls in the mandala setting. That is so unusual, but love it. There is also the ghost and ghouls coming out of the hand, again super unusual. And the eye with the spider web, I had to use that in my Manny for sure. I don't have many BeautyBigBang Halloween stamping plates, but after working with these 5 I'm definitely going to be looking into some more. So make sure you check out their Halloween discount sale. BeautyBigBang stamping plates are inexpensive anyway and always really good quality, and when you use my discount code you'll save even more as well. As always, I've used my usual stamper and my favourite brand of stamping polishes to create these swatches, and they have all worked perfectly. I can already see some other images I want to use for manis. I'm already planning some, so make sure you're following me on Instagram to see them. So for the mani, I went with a light grey colour gel polish as my base, and I've added some white and silver glitter for a little bit of added bling, and I've just stamped in black. I used two different images to create this mani, but as I said, I just had to use the eye with the spider web. I almost added some colour to the eye, but I wasn't sure. But I really like this. It's dark and grungy looking. BeautyBigBang XL027 has 12 large style images along with 5 smaller images on the far right hand side. My favourite image has to be the full open space creepy eye design. I've added that to a bluey green yellow pigment powder background, and it is so effective. I've personally never done anything like that before. I'm not a fan of using full open space images, but I love that design, along with the witch and the creepy vines. There is just so much to choose from, and even more if you were to mix and match across the whole 5 of these Halloween stamping plates. Now, when working with Halloween images, we tend to use dark colours like blacks and reds. My tip is to keep your plate, stamper and scraper as clean as possible, and have plenty of cotton wool balls and acetone to keep everything clean as well. Things can get a little bit messy. I will leave links to everything in the description box below, along with BeautyBigBang's social media, so you can keep up to date with their Halloween discount sales and any other sales they have in the future. I will be bringing the other 2 Halloween stamping plates to my channel, and they are the newest Halloween BeautyBigBang have out, and they have other ones as well, so there's quite a bit to choose from. Again, I was really impressed with how all the swatches came out, even that creepy eye image. If you've been a subscriber for a while, you'll know that I don't get on with these types of images, so I'm definitely improving. So for this mani, it didn't quite go to plan, but I've used a purple gel polish as my base colour, and I've stamped in a molten silver stamping polish, and I've used 3 different images to create it. My mistake, I went with the wrong colour base. It should have been a lighter purple and a dark purple stamping polish. But never mind, it sort of looks okay. I think I definitely need to recreate this though. BeautyBigBang XL029 has 14 large style images, and they range from cats and bats to spiderwebs to the fanged mouths and ghosts. Again, there are some images that I've never seen before, like the open space hand image, or the fanged mouth, or the eyeball image. Again, a lot to choose from, and would work brilliantly with the previous 2 BeautyBigBang Halloween stamping plates. Again, with XL029, there is 2 open space images, and they have swatched perfectly, and one of them I took inspiration from for the mani. When I did the swatch, I thought to myself, there's my mani right there. I can't wait to really start seeing more Halloween manis come on my social media. It's the time of year I love, just because you can go crazy with your creativity for them. It's just, I love it. Even with all these images from all 3 Halloween stamping plates, you can keep them simple or add some extra colour or detail to really make them stand out. But from all of the swatches, I really like them all. So many possibilities, along with a lot of colour combos as well. I've really enjoyed working with all 3 of these plates. Now, with the mani I've created from XL029, it has an amazing effect. It might look simple, but it has such a different look to it. I've never made a mani using open space images like this. This is a great mani for a Halloween party event, but I absolutely love it. I definitely want to look into some more like this from these BeautyBigBang Halloween stamping plates. So for this mani, I've used a neon yellow gel polish as my base, and I've stamped in black. And as I've said, I've used 2 of the full open space designs. Yes, it looks simple, but it's very cool as well. You can see which one I used as the inspiration. The skull image just looks incredible. However, what I didn't tell you at the beginning is the gel polish has a UV effect. So when it goes under a UV lamp, it comes to life, and it's an absolutely amazing effect. Now, I did look at the BeautyBigBang website to see if they had any gel polishes like this one, and I could only find a glow in the dark, but it would create the same effect. I'll leave a link for that in the description box below as well. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on these Halloween BeautyBigBang stamping plates. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.